All right, here we go. Here we go. So we made these screens to fit inside the outer door window track that will never slide down anyways, so that we could get airflow in this window. And the screens are just tight enough not to bend the metal, and we will get no bug infiltration. And there we go. Another custom fit for our buddy and new friend.
Yes.
No, that's all right. Do you want to be in the video?
Yeah, sure.
Can I show you your shop?
Absolutely.
Introduce
There's
yourself.
3 penny people.
Introduce yourself.
Okay. Hey, how are you guys? I'm Eric Screen Studio here in Pelham at One Wolf's Lane, Suite 307. So these guys, Jay and this gentleman, Cesar, amazing.
How you doing?
They came in, very efficient, very professional, very fast. So, I mean, I'm going to recommend them to you and anyone else because these windows were a challenge.
Yeah, they were.
You know, if they came in, I feel safe, I can get airflow, and it's going to cost me less money and energy. So, I highly recommend them. Highly, 100%, 750%. Yeah. So, again, Mr. Window.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Look it all up on YouTube, because that's where we're going.
Yeah.
And check out this cool artwork too. I'll put a link in the description for his page. Oh yeah, I mean, we're having some fun here.